Oh my god, I'm fucking shaking.
That's what they did.
Hey, gotta do what you gotta do.
A little better than the freaking urinal.
What's going on, guys? This is John with Lone Star Outdoors. I'm super happy to see you guys tuned into the video. This is actually a bit of a special one because today we are hunting big game. I got a huge opportunity that I was given by my cousins that I just could not pass up. Clearly, we are out on a big chunk of land and it is snowing, so we are definitely not in Texas or anywhere close to the coast. The gun I am using in this video is a 1950s Model 180 bolt-action 16-gauge rifled slug shotgun. Yes, you heard that correctly. I've never hunted big game in the past, so this is actually going to be my first time sitting in the blind for multiple days at a time, being completely silent, and honestly just being patient. In all honesty, if I could take anything away from this weekend of hunting, I would say that I found a new respect for deer hunting. It is way more patient, way more tedious, and way more challenging than a lot of people, including myself, expect. Even after 20 hours of being in a blind and not seeing anything, and finally something shows up, there is still a chance that you miss and the deer runs off. This is going to be raw footage of what it's like as a new big game hunter to step into the land of deer hunting. And I think it's really cool that I was able to get that on camera to share with you guys. So maybe if you've never hunted big game, you can see what it's like to take your first buck and the emotions that come along with it. And honestly, I think that's something really special. With that being said, it's a bit of a longer form video, being that it is big game. I know most of my videos are fast-paced montage style edits with multiple waterfowl and small game animals, so I hope you enjoy the longer video and let me know if you guys want to see more. We actually sat in these blinds completely silent for 20 hours before this buck had showed up. It happened so quick actually that I didn't even have my GoPro on until about 5 seconds before the shot. But anyways guys, that's enough of me yapping. I hope you all enjoy the video. Oh my god, I'm fucking shaking. Oh my gosh. spike. What the fuck? Oh. Oh, stop. Let's get out of here. Dropped, dude. Dropped. Oh my god. Oh my god. I need to go fucking up. Or no, maybe a 2-point. It's not as big. It's not as big as yours, but one shot, one kill.
So you have one antler?
Yeah. Was that a spike? I think I shot it through its head or its neck, because it dropped immediately.
Oh, you probably did. It's bleeding out through his head.
Yeah. How do we get it back?
Hang on a second.
Picture time?
I need the prowler. Yes. Let me give my dad a call real quick.
Okay. I got the whole thing.
Oh, nice.
Dude, I was sitting in the tower.
Fat little sucker.
Yeah, he's big. Yeah, I was sitting in the tower, and I look up from my phone, and he's just standing there.
Dad, Johnny got one. He did? It's a buck. It has one antler with 2 points, and the other antler's broken off. Not sure where it went, but...
I might have blown it off.
Not sure where it went? No, we have the deer right here. But but one of the antlers missing.
Oh yeah. He's a call. He probably called, probably fell off or he caught it someplace.
Yep, it's a plump sucker.
It's fat.
This sucker's really fat.
It's so fat.
It's not as long and lanky as mine, but it's a fat sucker.
It's got to be at least like.
Where do you get it? On the power line?
He got it out of the power lines, and he got it right to the head. It dropped it right where it stood. Dude, you literally texted me and then it was right there.
I told you, dude. I looked up from my phone and I saw a demon. He was sitting just like this. And then I had my gun on my lap. Luckily, I put it up on the window, and he went like this. Like as soon as I put it up on the window, he goes. And then
they know when they're.
Yeah.
We're getting my shells out of here.
Yeah. Oh, dude, it's cold.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I've never killed a deer before, dude. That's my first deer. That's insane. That's insane. Holy shit. I was shaking after I took the shot, dude.
That's how it goes.
After I saw it, after I saw it drop, I was shaking relentlessly.
Hey, I'm happy you got one.
Yeah. Oh, dude, me too.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you for the whole opportunity.
Yeah, no problem. Hey, you got one.
Yep.
That's awesome. And it looks like he didn't really suffer.
No.
Oh, actually, no. You got him right here, which is even better yet. That's like right
In the heart?
in the kill zone.
Oh, wow.
Here, I'm gonna go get the prowler.
All right, I'll hang out.
can drag him.
Let's put him in the back.
Okay. I don't have any what's it called here? Any plastic or anything? But you know what? Actually, I guess we do a little bit of plastic.
I mean, you can just.
Well, actually, you know what we can do? We have straps. I'd actually recommend that we're gonna put a rope around his neck. We're gonna hoist him up, and then we're gonna hang him so that he drains out the back a little bit.
Okay. Or do you just want to grab each leg, lift him up, and put him sideways, and have his head hanging off the side?
Watch this out here. So, I mean,
Okay. Yeah, because he's
that'll work fine. We can
he's
always close it down.
fat.
Oh, it's a heavy little sucker.
Oh my god. We're gonna swing him up.
I'm gonna grab his neck. It's a little easier.
Okay, right?
All right, ready?
Oh my god. Oh, it stinks.
Bad. Yeah, he's gonna.
Dude, that's a. Oh.
Yeah.
It would have been a 4-point.
It would have been a 4-point.
But hey, dude, I can't wait to see the footage. Oh my god.
Need to check and see. I'll grab it. Would you be able to carry my shotgun on your lap?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, dude, I'm ecstatic, bro. Oh my gosh.
I'll put it in the low.
It's insane. Dude, the adrenaline of that fucking shot, bro.
Yeah.
As soon as I saw him, I was like, no way.
That's awesome.
It only took waiting in a blind 20 hours.
You did the math, right? But
Something like that.
you know what, though?
Well, that was at the end of shooting light today.
I know.
So it was around 20 hours.
Hang on.
I can't see shit.
Still scratching.
It's his face. It's alive. Dude, he's went rigor mortis.
That's how that works.
Oh, we're gonna have to bend your legs. How's deer anatomy work? They bend like they don't bend.